90% of people get boring answers from AI because they write bad, lazy prompts. Using AI is like ordering food. If you just tell a waiter, give me food, you'll get a random mess. If you want a perfect answer, you'll need a specific order. Your prompt must give the 4 AI things: a role, who it is, context, your background situation, an action, what to do, and a tone, the formatting style. Let's look at 5 quick examples to see how this changes everything. I'm using ChatGPT today, but this works exactly the same on any AI. Task 1. Fitness. If you just ask for a generic workout plan, the AI spits out a massive, overwhelming wall of text that doesn't fit your life. Instead, look at this structured approach. We give the AI a specific role as a trainer, explain our situation, and ask for the exact layout we want. Look at this screen now. It goes from a messy paragraph to a clean, organized table routine you can use instantly. Task 2. Cooking. A lazy prompt asking what to make with a few ingredients forces the AI to assume you have a fully stocked kitchen, listing extra items you don't own. Instead, look at how we structure this. We tell the AI to act as a chef and give it strict rules about what we don't have. By setting those boundaries, the AI filters out the fluff and gives you an exact simple recipe you can actually cook right now. Task 3. Business emails. A basic prompt asking to announce a project delay gives you a stiff, robotic corporate template that sounds cold and unhelpful. To fix this, look at this screen. We tell the AI to act as a professional manager, explain the exact reason for the delay, and set a strict word limit. The new result is short, polite, completely human, and saves your relationship with the client. Task 4. Learning tough topics. Ask a basic question like, what is blockchain? And the AI throws heavy, confusing textbook jargon at you. Watch what happens when we structure it. We tell the AI to act as a school teacher and explicitly command it to use a simple real-world analogy. The AI instantly drops the technical words and explains massive concepts through a simple story anyone can understand. And finally, Task 5. Content creation. Asking for a generic YouTube intro about saving money gets you a boring, cliché script that makes viewers click away. Instead, we tell the AI to act as a high-retention writer, give it our exact target audience, and strictly forbid it from using boring cliches. Look at that screen. It creates a fast, high-energy opening that actually hooks the viewer's attention. Stop treating AI like a simple Google search. Give it a role, context, action, and tone. All 5 copy-paste prompts are in the description below, so you can use them right now. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.